So real quick, I will show you guys how to reset your password if you forgot your password. Okay. I've been getting so much comments saying, oh, it doesn't work. This method doesn't work. What's going on? It doesn't work. I'm going to show you it does work live right now. So here, I'm just going to randomly, oh, I forgot a password, right? You're going to hold shift, go over here to the power button. You're going to restart it. All right. We're at this menu. Click on troubleshoot. Click on advanced options, command prompt. Okay. Now we're going to type in net user. So here, net user will not work in advanced options anymore. It used to, but not anymore because you don't see the user Bob in here at all. So we're going to do C drive, which is where operating system is living, your hard drive. Now there's a few ways to do it. You're going to put in copy C:\Windows /system 32 /sethc.exe. Then you're going to go C:\, enter. Now you're going to go copy /y for yes, C:\Windows /system 32 /cmd.exe. C:\Windows /system 32 /sethc.exe. Exit. Continue. Okay, so now what you do is you hit shift. There's the command prompt. Okay, sethc is the command prompt now. Now, what you do is you go net user and look at there. There's Bob. There's Bob's account. So this works. I proved it live. It works. Just follow what I just did. Okay. So let's restart. Let's reset Bob's password. Net user Bob. We're going to give it a password. Any password you want that you remember. Whatever user account you use to what you want to reset the password, use that user. If it's Frank, Joe, Bill, whatever user account is. In this case, it's Bob. So Bob user is going to be password. We're going to go ABC567. Completed successfully. Exit. Type in exit, hit enter. ABC567, and I'll even show you the password. There's the password. We're in.